Ano gusto niyo, ma'am?
Request
Basahin ko pa to?
Yes, yung patient, sir. I
Ako na.
know. Hindi ko na rin alam bakit ganito na.
So may assisting physician. May gusto na pala.
Ganun talaga.
May facility.
Kinlose nila, sir. Kinlose.
Ayaw mo talaga ayaw mo
Nag-decide siya.
yung ambulance yun. Deadline.
Nag-decide siya on her own. Pwede mo kami mag-request ng cameras.
Ano daw?
Pasukin ng general mga cameras.
Cameras.
Gusto mo? Palapitin ng
May
mga
palapitin.
media?
Opo.
Sige.
Lapit na. Go na. Go, go, go. Okay. Double time, double time.
Ding! I-release mo, media.
Release, 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 release. Go. Go na, sabi ni General. Lapit na. Si General lang nagsabi.
Ay, ayaw ng hospital.
Hindi
Ayaw
na,
ng hospital.
hanggang dyan lang naman yung camera eh.
Ayaw ng hospital.
Hanggang dyan lang sa inyo.
Huwag nyo lang i-block yung side ng camera.
Alis na lang dito ang mga kwan para makita
Hanggang
na
lang, para
kami.
makita ng camera.
Sige, ma'am.
I-clear natin ito yung para makita ng camera.
Sabi na ako dadalhin.
Veterans lang.
Dadalhin.
We're going to bring it to the veterans
Oh, where is it? Where is it?
Considering that as requested, Attorney Zoraida Lopez has been examined by the physicians and cleared in the Medical Center, Quezon City. You are directed to transfer Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Medical Center, Quezon City.
Sinong kasama ko doon?
Ma'am, si VP, and anybody of your choice. May text tayo galing kay SILG Rimulya. Ma'am, ang sabi ni SILG Rimulya,
Yan din ang sabi niyo, tapos kinuha niyo ako kanina, dadalhin niyo ako sa correctional.
hindi ma'am, tapos na yun.
Totoo.
To General Nick Torre from SILG John B. Rimulya, transfer of Attorney Zuleika Lopez to Veterans Memorial Center. Dear General Torre, as verbally agreed upon, the transfer of Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Hospital shall be complied with respect to the House directive to transfer her. Please accord all security measures necessary to ensure her safety. Furthermore, please allow the untethered access of her personal physicians during her confinement. The attorney will also be accorded full visiting rights of the following people: Senator Bato de la Rosa, Senator Amy Marcos, Vice President Sara Duterte. Please be advised that all pertinent hospital safety guidelines should be followed, as well as hospital policies on visitation practices. For strict and immediate compliance, signed, SILG, John B. Rimulya. Ma'am, assurance yun.
I don't believe in your assurance anymore. That's what they told me in the house. And look where it brought me.
Dito, maraming witness, like maraming witness.
Dito naman sasakay ka naman sa sasakyan ni
Pumayag sila
VP.
sa media, pumayag sila kay Senator Bato.
Ma'am, sasakay po
Pumayag
kayo.
sila sa akin.
Sasakay po kayo sa sasakyan ni VP. Kasama niyo po si VP sa sasakyan. She will be transporting you to Veterans Memorial Center.
Pumayag sila.
Hindi ka naman iiwanan ni VP, ma'am.
Sure yan, Nick, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Promise.
Of course, sir. Nandiyan naman si VP. They are just in one car. Okay, ma'am?
Padaan mo na, padaan na. Padaan na, padaan na. Ay, alalay mo dyan.
VP, baka ma'am, paano, ma'am? Paano?
Dito kami sa likod mo, ma'am. Huwag kang mag-alala.
Muna ako ha. Next.
Gold.
Mas na konti.
Lalay mo, lalay. Tira. Bagay yun ay. Nakalihok na.